Just wait, bud. Just open this first.
I know.
What is it, Carrie?
It's a short.
It's a t-shirt.
I know it's so.
Oh!
North.
Look at that. North Tahoe.
And I.
Is it fire?
Elmwood, Kings Beach, Tahoe City.
Cool. Thank you, Mark and Meredith.
Like that.
Very cool.
You have very few that are gray.
Yeah.
I like that.
Good job opening that, Carrie. Here comes Bryce to clean up.
You got new pictures to put on the refrigerator.
This is very.
Are you cleaning up, Brycey?
Beaded picks. I bet these are for cheeses and different things. Oh,
I don't know.
Those are really pretty. Thank you. Very, very pretty.
Carrie, what do you have there? A cookbook? Do you know how to cook? You like to help Daddy cook?
No. Oh, the Slow Food Guide to Chicago.
That's cool. Brycey, leave that alone. That's Mama's.
Can I take a video?
Oh, this
Take a video,
is really
please.
neat.
Can I take a video?